Good day everyone, how are you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the Ride My Porsche animation only using one photo. How is that possible? Don't worry guys, because this video we will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install Pixverse from the Play Store if you are the user of the Android phone, and you can also install it from the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS. And right after you install it, then you can open it. And also don't forget to log in first through your Google account or your email, and this application will give you 60 credits if you are the new user. And as you can see, this is the credit left that I have now. And if you run out of the credit, don't worry, because it will be renewed every day at UTC 0 following your time zone. But if you would like to upgrade it into this several level, standard, pro, premium, then you can purchase this package. And since we would like to create the Ride Porsche animation, then we can go to this searching section, and I will type Ride My Porsche and enter it, and I will choose this template, and I will click this use template, and it will direct you into the gallery that will help you to choose or select your favorite picture. Let's say I will choose this picture, and as you can see, this animation will need 20 credits, and since we have 30 credits left, so it will be enough to go, then we can continue to generate it. And it will take you a while to generate this picture, and you can go to the notification to get the information that our picture or the video is ready. And also you can explore more the creation from the another user over here. This is the home page. So if you have any recommendation about this application or AI that can do the same thing like this, so please don't worry to put it on a comment down below guys, because we would love to see your comments there. So the picture or the video result usually shows the notification over here, so you can patiently waiting and see more another feature of this Pixverse. Let's say we will see this. It is very cool. So pictures usually from the photo, and you can make this video lively by choosing certain animation. And as we receive the information that our video is ready, then we can go to the notification and let's see the result. Isn't that cool, right? So you can start to download it if you want to save it in your gallery, and you can also upgrade this video to become HD version, but it will need 40 credits to go. And also you can start to share it to your favorite social media over here. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.